So today we're gonna chug down some Chinese tequila. Wait. Oh, just kidding. It's soy sauce. I'm very disappointed. Okay, let's just try it. We're doing a challenge. We have a special guest today. His name is Luis. He's my cousin. Well, he's my cousin's cousin. Okay. One, two, 3.
Some more?
That was good.
Ew. Your stomach hurt.